Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best RV sewer hoses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best RV sewer hoses. Starting at number 5, we have the Titan 17853 15 feet 15-foot Premium RV Sewer Hose Kit. Those that know they can always park close to the input at dumping stations or RV campgrounds should check out the Thetford Titan 17853 Sewer Hose. This is a 15-foot hose that's compatible with all RV sewer outlets and most inputs at sewage dumping stations. I really like that the output end of this RV septic hose has a 5-in-1 adapter that includes a small handle on it. This can be the difference between touching something you don't want to touch and easily setting up your sewer dump hose without disgust. On the other end of things, the Extend grip fitting makes it easy to attach the hose to your RV's sewer outlet without spilling or dripping any sewage. The hose itself offers exceptional resistance to damage from abrasions or punctures. But it also makes this hose perform better when used in extreme temperatures, both cold and hot. The hose is literally uncrushable. It will regain its shape even after being run over by a car. Yes, they tested. Which means you won't have to worry about an unexpected hose leak angering your fellow campground visitors. Moving on at number 4, we have the Camco Rhinoflex 15 feet RV Sewer Hose Kit. As its name suggests, this Camco Sewer Hose Kit is a full kit that comes with all necessary accessories that will allow you to quickly and easily drain your RV sewer tank. This Rhinoflex RV sewer hose will easily connect to an extended sewer tank inline fitting whether it is 3 inches, 3.5 inches, or 4 inches. This makes it universally compatible with every sewer tank on the market. In addition, the polyolefin build construction makes this sewer hose very durable and long-lasting. Moreover, it is extremely flexible and you can flex it to extremes without breaking. This will prove to be very handy if you have your RV sewer tank in an awkward position. One good thing about the polyolefin material is that you can contract a 10 feet sewer hose to 39 inches only in order to save space for storage. If you have a small storage bumper area in your sewer tank, this can prove to be very handy. Furthermore, you can purchase this sewer hose in a wide variety of length in order to suit your need and purpose. In order to make it even easier to install, you get an additional accessory with this Camco RV Sewer Hose Kit. Indeed, it is delivered with a 4-in-1 elbow adapter that will allow you to quickly and easily connect to any sewer tank fitting. All in all, this model is one of the best RV sewer hose for the money. The only problem is that you have to be careful when tightening the connectors of this sewer tank hose as it may easily leak if not done properly. Also, this model should not be used as a heavy-duty sewer hose because the connectors are simply not strong enough and may pop open under pressure. At number 3, we have the Valterra 20 featuring Dominator Sewer Hose Kit. This sewer hose kit is our honorable mention because it offers a median option between our best overall and best value selections. The median price point is ideal for heavy and light RV users. Like the best value Camco option, the Valterra features 2 10-foot hoses with rotating fittings. But it's a complete sewer kit, including a 90-degree elbow Clearview universal sewer adapter and 4 additional drip caps. Each hose can collapse from 10 feet to 39 inches for convenient storage. RV owners will appreciate that this hose stays put while in use and that the clear, 90-degree adapter makes it easy to know when you've successfully emptied or cleaned out your tanks. Best of all, storage is a breeze, as the Valterra collapses and stays in place. This particular hose fits comfortably inside of square bumpers. RV owners might find it a little difficult to fully rinse out this RV sewer hose, as water may get trapped in the hose unless you keep it fully extended during the process. There are also concerns over a short lifespan with leaks and tears that can occur after only a handful of uses because of improper bayonet fittings. At number 2, we have the Camco Deluxe 20 feet Swivel ready-to-use kit. This hose and sewer kit by Camco is a great budget buy because it comes with everything you need to not only empty your RV's waste tank but to do so efficiently. The 20-foot length is ideal for practically any campsite configuration and is actually made of two 10-foot hoses with locking rings. And the kit comes standard with additional translucent elbow fittings, caps, hoses, and a clear extender to help make waste removal easier. The Camco model also features a 4-in-1 adapter to fit various tank styles and is 18 milliliters thick for a long-lasting product. The high-quality material and clear connectors make this budget-priced product a serious contender for the average RV user. Even when exposed to the elements, the hose and components continue to perform well. And since it comes with additional accessories to create the optimal fit, that means that you won't find yourself facing an external waste system that you can't connect to. Unfortunately, the Camco accordion-style hose doesn't stay rigid once you disconnect it from a tank. So, if you're not prepared and disconnect it from one end, it can act like a slinky and shoot back towards its other half. Likewise, this particular model is actually two separate 10-foot hoses. Always check the integrity of the connections before you begin the waste removal process. Other common concerns include measurement incompatibility between the connectors on the hose and some RV waste tanks, as well as an unexpectedly short lifespan for some of the kits, as little as a few uses in some cases. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lippert Wastemaster 20 feet extended RV sewer hose. The Lippert RV sewer hose features a 20-foot, accordion-style design with cam lock technology to prevent leaks. This heavy-duty sewer hose is rated for higher usage, including UV protection to maintain the integrity of the helical coil exterior. The interior hose is smooth to prevent blockage and make waste removal easier. The clear viewport indicates when waste has been completely removed. Whether you're a road warrior or occasional RV user, the Lippert model is a smart choice. The hose can be compressed to just over 5.5 feet for easy storage. If you've struggled with traditional twist-on connections for RV sewer hoses, you'll love Lippert's snap lock mechanism with an easy-to-use shut-off valve that offers a sturdy and secure connection without the struggle of trying to maneuver clunky connections. In addition, the clear viewport saves you from the mess of accidentally removing the hose too soon and creating a mess. Occasionally, the rubber ring on the discharge port of the hose can come loose, creating a gross situation when you remove that portion from the external waste tank. There are also concerns that extreme heat could compromise the integrity of the connections, causing the clamped connectors on this hose to fail. When exposed to temperatures higher than 90 degrees, the hose may malfunction.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.